is he that breatheth. Blessed is he that breatheth. Blessed is he that breatheth. This prophecy, blessed is he that breatheth. In the word. Alright, I'm letting go.
A fearless worship of lives completely surrendered to God. Neil Galloway, our youth secretary, Pastor Marlon Salida. But there's a real hanging outside.
That stone is rolled away that he calls out, and Lazarus does what? He comes forth from the dead. Why is that? Because there was a revelation.
Hi! Sildin.
Katulad na ako kanina sa volleyball. Ng mga boys,
Halina't sama-sama, purihin natin siya. Ipalakpak ang iyong kamay, itaas na ikaw-ay lahat ay magsabi, Diyos ay buhay. Halina't sama-sama, purihin natin siya. Halina't sama-sama, purihin natin siya. Ipalakpak ang iyong kamay, itaas na ikaw-ay lahat ay magsabi, Diyos ay buhay.
God had given us a very clear pattern to the presence of the Lord if we would learn how to follow that pattern. If we would learn how to walk in that way
Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking vlog. So si Julie din na po ang e-ending.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Hello. Ang mga UPC Bagger Boys, lihok ka ang aton bangko, imusot ka, pangitaot.